Alright, look on the screen here. I'm going to show you briefly on how to achieve this very shadow effect using CapCut editing application within the space of few seconds. Let's go to the screen to show you how to go about it. Alright, this is how to achieve this very particular shadow effect using CapCut editing application. For you to achieve this, you need to record two clips. The first one should be the place where you are standing without much demonstration, okay? The second clip should be where you are waving on the air, which will be reflecting on your shadow, okay? And before recording this type of video, okay, you should be when the sun is already going down, so that your shadow will be reflecting. You can see it there, okay? So once you have the two clips recorded, you can head over to CapCut. You can actually use one clip to record those two clips, okay? So what you need to do is to trace to where you started waving on the air, okay, which is marked by this very place. That is 12.5 seconds. Then you can see where I'm pointing with this very vertical line, okay? Once you have it like that, click on the video bar to have it highlighted like this. Then you head over to split. Once you have clicked on the split button, then the second one, which is where you are waving on the air, then is highlighted. You swipe to this very angle. Do you understand? Until you get to overlay. Once you click on that very overlay, it will bring the video, which is the second clip where you're waving on the air, down. Click on it and hold on it. Swipe it to the left hand side until the beginning of the main video. Do you understand? So the next thing which you need to do is to give alignment. Let's say from the beginning of the video, give like 2 seconds. Then you click and hold and take the video back like this, so that you will have some time, that is some seconds, before the effect will start displaying. Leaving it like this, the next thing which you need to do is to still highlight the overlay. Once you have it highlighted, come over to this feature, swipe it to the left hand side until you get to mask. Do you understand? If I'm too fast, indicate on the comment section, okay? So click on mask. Once you have it clicked, come to this very rectangle, click on it, then it will appear like this. You can use any of these very arrow, two-edged arrow, to increase or reduce the size of the stuff by this, okay, or by this. Have you seen it? Do you understand? If you did not understand, ask your question on the comment section, then I will do justice to that. Let's just leave it like this. Do you understand? It is okay like this. Once you are done targeting the shadow, okay, inside here is the shadow, this is the target, then you come over to this very place and click on that very check mark key to authenticate your action. Do you understand? Now let's play the video from the beginning to know if the effect has taken place. Okay, don't forget to share the video so that others will learn and benefit from it. Have you seen it? Watch the arrow, as in the shadow rather. Can you see it? Have you seen it now? So looking at it now, you will see that the main video, which is the background video, is longer than the overlaid video, which is this very one. What you need to do is to come over to that very background video, highlight it like this, and click on this very split button to split it, that is to divide it. Then highlight the unwanted part, which is the oversize, and click on that very delete button. Do you understand? So, and also after that, just make it so that it will tally with the overlay. So with it like this, you are good to go. Then the next thing which you need to do after that is to come over to this very export. Once you click on it, it will start loading from 1 to 100. Once it clocks 100, it will now be displayed in your gallery. But before exporting your video, head over to this very place here, click on it, do little settings, take this stuff from 108k to 2k resolution. You adjust this very frame rate. I will explain it in my next video, the functions of this thing. Then you take this code rate to high, okay? Then you head over to click export. Once you click on it like this, it will start loading. Allow it to load 100. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to share to others so that they will learn and benefit from it. See you in my next video.